Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on your TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to check the cable and a charger for any damage or compatibility. So if you have your charger, what you guys want to do is go over, we're going to plug it in, and as you guys can see, it is charging. Now we got the supercharge information, and you should see it whenever you connect your charger. Now if you don't have it, then maybe your charger is just not compatible with the phone, or maybe you just need to take a few steps. The first one is to clean the charging port. We all know that when your charging port is filled with dust, it can block a lot of the connection, and we don't want it. That's why what are we going to do is we're going to clean it with a soft brush, for example. And then, of course, there's no way to enable fast charging in the settings. It's either enabled or not, and it all depends on what charger you're using. So I am using the one from Apple for this phone, and it works. But what you guys can do is test another fast charger or change the outlet. Maybe the outlet has some issues. And what are we going to do next is we're going to make sure that we update our software to fix any charging glitches. So we're going to go to settings. Now in the settings, we're going to scroll all the way down to system and go to system update. Now in the system update, we want to make sure that we click on online update, and here we want to make sure that we are on the latest version. It's very important because you want to make sure that your fast charging is fixed, and this is the most common fix of all of them. So that will be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.